everyone, and a very warm welcome. Just about to record for you a short summary recap of our Improvers Solo Slow Waltz practice routine number 6, and it was taught in the class online on the 5th of December 22. Remember, we're combining international style with American smooth style just for fun, so we can dance some nice solo steps at home. This is not accurate for exams or competitions. Here we go. I'm going to start diagonally facing my left corner, back basic on my left. Right foot into a lady's footwork spin turn. And then step across myself into a whisk position. So depending on whether you are normally dancing the leader or the follower steps, if you are normally a leader, that is more like the leader's whisk. Or it is like a reverse whisk for our ladies, depending on how you look at it. 6 quick steps for a little run around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's going to be very quick for a whole bar. We had a pause in the next bar so we could do some nice arms. And then we went into 3 corner checks. Let me count the time in for that section. 1, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little steps. Pause for the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, check. 2, 3, check. 2, 3, check. 2, 3. Now I'm going to do a telemark. This would be the leader's steps, but very underturned. Forwards and brush in, brush out. And then going to go across myself, almost like a counter promenade position into another whisk. Inside turn, left, right, left, side lunge, forwards basic, straight, and back heel turn and cross. There's a double reverse spin. Let me count some numbers across that section. I'm going to take it from the checks. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Remember, double reverse spin is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it's just a little summary recap, just so that we can refresh ourselves. And if you're looking for the full class where we broke that down for about 45 minutes, you're looking for the 5th of December 22 in my video library. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye-bye.